after always having insurance my entire adult life. My husband worked at Catrali juice plant, and he was there for 25 years. And we've always had insurance, and then back in 2003 he was diagnosed with lupus and had to come out total disability. So we could not afford the insurance. And I have multiple problems. My lungs, I have sarcoid. Found out that I also had COPD, high blood pressure. I'm talking about a lot of medications.
Well, it was rough. My toe was amputated on June 3rd of last year. I went to the hospital and they had to amputate it. And at that point in time, I have no medical insurance. And I didn't know where I was going to go for medication.
I was suffering with diabetes, and the medication that I was taking was not working. And I no longer had my health care, which I had had all my life, and I lost it due to the economy. And so when I found this clinic, it saved me.
I was treated here with breast cancer, stage 1, where they went in and did a lumpectomy. And I went through 9 weeks of radiation, and recently just had another mammogram yesterday, and it's good to go, cancer-free.
I was on the verge of being a diabetic, and I was sick, hospital with pneumonia. They helped me a lot. I probably wouldn't be here if it wasn't for them.
My name is Tamara Halsey, and it has been both an honor and a pleasure to serve as Ministry Director at Community Medical Care Center, a volunteer, not-for-profit, free medical and dental facility designed to take care of the low-income and uninsured of our area. Over the past 15 years, we have provided care to over 92,000 patient visits, valuing approximately $30 million.
I have a cardiologist, I have a pulmonologist, I have a gynecologist, I even come here for my eye care, also for my dental care. I come for all of those, and I go to the dietitian, the diabetic nurse. So yeah, again, you know, it's like you name it, I've been to it.
They've helped me with medication, doctor visits. Without them, I wouldn't have been able to make it.
This is the first clinic that I've experienced, and I think it's greater than the private sector, you know, because the simple fact is because it's not just a job to them. Here, it's not just a job, you know. They care more about the individual.
Another thing about this place is that nobody looks down on you. You know, a lot of times you go to places that's for the community, people kind of look down and kind of frown on you, but here you just feel love.
Everybody knows each other by name. They make you feel so welcome and so cared for. I love all the people here.
You come here because they treat you like a person, like an angel. Everybody. They treat me like an angel.
This place is different because here I think the people, the nurse practitioners and doctors and the nurses that work here and volunteer and our own staff, they care about the people, and they treat them just with respect and with love.
They just go above and beyond helping people with health care, medications. They really care about the patients. Everyone here cares about the patients, and some of these people that come in here have no one to care for them.
I don't know that I would have gone anywhere. I can't afford anything else. I don't have insurance, don't have a job, and it means a lot to have somebody that cares about your health.
This place is like heaven to me. If it wasn't for them, I'm saying I'd probably still be sick. Yeah.
If it wasn't for them, I couldn't afford the medication. And without medical coverage, I definitely wouldn't be able to see a doctor. So Without them, I'd probably have lost my whole foot.
We didn't come here today to fill your mind with stats and numbers, but to fill your heart with people and faces. These are real people with real needs and nowhere else to turn.
I'm very grateful for their time that they put in. I'm very grateful for the way that they make you feel like you're important, you know. Again, they just share the love, because you have to have a love for this in order to do this.
I don't take for granted, you know, what they do, because they don't have to do it.
They don't turn you away. Any problems, if they can't handle it, they can point you in the right direction. They'll bend over backwards for you.
If this place wasn't here, like I said, there'd be a lot of people hurting.
They treat you like a person. They care about you.
There should probably be more clinics like this. I had no idea it was even here. I mean, it definitely needs to be known in the community that it is here, because they do help so many people, and there are so many people that do need help that don't know about it. It's just an amazing place, and they just help so many people.
These are just a few of the thousands of lives we have touched through the Community Medical Care Center. If you are asking yourself, how can I help? We are in need of volunteers of all types, and definitely in need of your financial support. And we do thank you so much for your time and prayers.